As Samhain and Halloween approach, you might find yourself walking a path through the woods and discover something horrific along the way. Scattered chunks of zombie flesh, pale and misshapen, littering the forest floor. These are indeed alike to zombies, living things taken over by another and changed into something else. But even though these have the zombie-like name of Aborted Entoloma, they are not to be feared. Indeed, these are among the most delicious mushrooms in the forest. Some call them shrimp of the woods, but our family calls them popcorn mushrooms. You'll find them in autumntide in hardwood forests, sometimes hidden under the leaf litter. They come up easily from the ground, but take care not to get more soil on them than what is already there, as they aren't easy to clean once dirty. They have a characteristic white bloom, pale translucent flesh, and if damaged, they bruise a deep pink. Choose ones that feel firm instead of spongy. When you get home, use a knife at 90 degrees to scrape away dirt on the surface and cut out any places that feel spongy or are stained too pink. Inside, it will look almost like the cross-section of a brain. Fry them in butter. What isn't good fried in butter? Yet the key with these is to get a perfect browning, which really makes their flavor shine. They're fragile, so cook them like the proverbial fish. When you have them well browned, serve them drizzled with the mushroom-infused butter and the tiniest dash of salt. You have turned something that could have been frightening into something sublimely delicious.
It's so good.
Really?
Yes, I love them.
You say it's your favorite mushroom right now?
One of my favorites. Feels though they even have a little bit of sweet. I don't know. They're really good.
Scientists once thought that these were Entoloma mushrooms infected by honey mushrooms, and now most think that their honey is infected by the Entoloma. The truth is probably more nuanced than that. Share in the comments if you have found these, if you've ever eaten them, and your favorite way to cook them. Thanks for watching, my friends.